you want to check your battery health in your laptop, this is your video. Okay, so first of all, I'm on a desktop, I'm not on a laptop, but the tutorial works fine. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the Windows key and you have to search for CMD and press run as an administrator. You accept the prompt that will appear and you will get these windows. So what do we have to look here? Well, this is very simple actually. You have to write the next thing, power cvg slash battery report. And in my case, I'm not receiving the current message because I'm on a desktop, but I will show you on screen what you have to see on your screen, and you will have to copy that path that will appear, and you have to go to your browser and paste it here, and you will receive something like this. Well, as you can see, design capacity is the capacity that was your battery designed for, and full charge capacity is the actual capacity of your battery that is right now. If you use a lot of your capacity, it will slowly be lower than the design capacity. So how do you know the battery percentage? You have to go to the calculator and you have to do the division. You have to divide the full charge capacity, in this case is 2378, and you have to divide by the design capacity. Excellent. Now you have to multiply by 100 and you will receive the percentage of life of your battery, just like an iPhone. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.